What's good, people? Today is my third or fourth day in Bangladesh with my family, and it's going to be a special day because I'm going to be going looking at a motorbike that I want to buy. Even though a lot of family members back in the UK and people here have been telling me not to get it because it's going to be a waste of money and it's dangerous and this, that and the other, I've got to follow my own decisions, you understand? I'm not going to just go for what everyone else says, but today I'm just going to go and check out this bike, and I might potentially end up buying this bike and getting it sent to the body and then take it from there. So the bike is a Bajaj Pulsar M250, so it's new to Bangladesh. In the last couple of months the rulings has changed in Bangladesh, because before you weren't allowed a 250cc, but you are now. So let's go and check it out. We're just leaving now to go check out the bike at the bike shop. We're going as a big ass crew. These lot go in and we've got one more guy. So we've got two of these CNGs ready. Hey, lie down. We've got these two ready to go. Yeah, boy. Mean looking bike though. Ayla, you like it? You like it? Baba gonna get that one. Okay, Ayla, Tumiko, do you like this one? This one black, yeah? You like that black one, or do you like this blue one?
I like that blue.
Or do you like that blue one there, like Baba car? That's like Baba car color, Naini. Look at me. Black or blue?
I like black.
You like black? Okay. Faster gear.
Ayla, move back. Ayla, move back. I like that.
Baba sit like this. Okay? Baba do like this. More long way.
গাড়ি অনেক কম আছে আর এখন ডিসকাউন্ট হচ্ছে না ডিসকাউন্ট ওগো নেই না আমি 10,000 টাকা ডিসকাউন্ট না only 10,000 চলে
এটা ইনপুট গেছে যে আমরা বইলা এটা কইলে
ডিসকাউন্ট লাগে তো কইলাম এই ইচ্ছার মাঝে কোনো ডিসকাউন্ট দিছ না ডিসকাউন্ট হইলে অবশ্যই আমরা বললাম না ভাই ডিসকাউন্ট আছে
The license are done to
هلا دخل.
These like getting on it first thing in the morning, making a ramp. They're making a ramp so I can get my motorbike in and out. I'm just taking the Isla for a little walk.